This question comes from practice 2. The question has 5 multiple choice questions. Each question has 4 choices. Suppose you guess all the answers. First is find the probability of getting no correct answers. Well, you'd have to get first one wrong, second wrong, third one wrong, all of them wrong. So they all have a probability. If there's 4 questions and 3 of them are wrong, if you're guessing randomly, each of them has a 75% chance of getting it wrong. And so we have 5 of these. If you're good at exponents, you can just put 0.75 to the 5th power. Otherwise, just multiply 0.75 times 0.75 and keep doing it over again until you get all 5 loaded in. But the answer is 0.237. Now, the second question says, what's the probability of getting 1 correct answer? 1 correct is a little more complicated because let's suppose you got the right one first and then all the other ones wrong. For the basic probability, that would be you have a 25% chance of getting number 1 right, and then 75% chance for all the rest of them of getting them wrong. But you recognize that there are 5 different possibilities. The right one could be in the first slot. You could get the second one right. That's another possibility. You could get the third one right. And so if you follow down the possibilities, there's 5 of them where the right one is just sort of rotated through until you get in all the 5 positions. So it's 5 times 0.25 times 0.75 and 4 of those 0.75s. So we get 0.396 for 1 correct answer. The third question asks an interesting question. It says, what's the probability of getting at least 1 correct? Well, that would be 1 correct, 2 correct, 3 correct, 4 correct, 5 correct, all those added together, which is certainly the most complicated way of doing it. The easiest way to do it is that's all the possibilities if you take the no correct away. We already did the probability of no correct is 0.237. All the rest of them have to add up to 1 when we put it together. So if I simply take 1 minus 0.237, in other words, the probability of getting at least 1 correct, is the opposite of getting no correct. I get an answer of 0.763.